In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a resume public on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right into it. Indeed is one of the top job search platforms out there, and making your resume public can significantly increase your chances of landing a job. Potential employers use Indeed to search for candidates actively, and by ensuring your resume is visible, you can put yourself in front of many hiring managers. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Indeed website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. This is a straightforward process. Just click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create your profile. Use an email address you check regularly, as job notifications will be sent there. Once your account is set up, log in and head to your profile. On your dashboard, look for the Resume tab. This is where you can manage all aspects of your resume. If you've already uploaded your resume, great. Make sure it's up to date and accurately reflects your skills, experience, and education. If you haven't uploaded your resume yet, you'll want to do that now. Click on the button labeled Upload Your Resume. You can upload a file directly from your computer, or you also have the option to build a resume using Indeed's Resume Builder. If you choose to use the builder, just fill in the requested information about your work history, skills, and other relevant details. Now, here comes the important part, making your resume public. Look for the option that says Resume Visibility or something similar. It's usually located either at the top or on the side of your resume page. Here, you should see options that allow you to select who can see your resume. To make your resume public, select the option that says Public. When your resume is set to public, any recruiter or employer searching through Indeed can view it. Just keep in mind that you'll want to review the visibility settings to make sure you're comfortable with your resume being available to the general public. It might be a good idea to remove some personal details, like your full address, just for privacy reasons. Once you've made that selection, don't forget to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this step. After you hit save, you should be all set. Your resume is now public and can be discovered by potential employers. You'll be able to see and adjust your visibility settings at any time if you want to switch it back to private or make any edits. Now, let me share a quick tip. After your resume is public, check your Indeed profile regularly. You might receive messages from employers interested in your background or job experience. Responding quickly can help you stay ahead in the job market. And there you have it. Making your resume public on Indeed is a simple process that could open up new job opportunities for you. Once you've done that, remember to keep your resume updated as you gain new skills and experiences. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Good luck with your job search, and I hope you land that dream job soon.